Join me to discover the amazing countries of Oceania and learn their flags, nationalities, and languages in English. This is Australia. People from Australia are Australian. They speak English. This is Fiji. People from Fiji are Fijian. They speak English, Fijian, and Hindi. This is Kiribati. People from Kiribati are Kiribati. They speak English. This is Marshall Islands. People from Marshall Islands are Marshallese. They speak Marshallese and English. This is Micronesia. People from Micronesia are Micronesian. They speak English. This is Nauru. People from Nauru are Nauruan. They speak Nauruan and English. For more tips, subscribe our channel. This is New Zealand. People from New Zealand are New Zealanders. They speak English, Maori, and New Zealand Sign Language. This is Palau. People from Palau are Palauan. They speak Palauan and English. This is Papua New Guinea. People from Papua New Guinea are Papua New Guinean. They speak English, Tok Pisin, and Hiri Motu. This is Samoa. People from Samoa are Samoan. They speak Samoan and English. This is Solomon Islands. People from Solomon Islands are Solomon Islanders. They speak English. This is Tonga. People from Tonga are Tongan. They speak Tongan and English. This is Tuvalu. People from Tuvalu are Tuvaluan. They speak Tuvaluan and English. For more tips, subscribe our channel. This is Vanuatu. People from Vanuatu are Ni Vanuatu. They speak Bislama, English, and French.